Hello students. So in this segment we are going for some classification of acids. So acid can be classified in a number of ways. That is on the basis of their source, on the basis of the presence of oxygen, and on the basis of strength, then also on the basis of basicity. Okay. So first coming to the on the basis of source, that is the availability of the acid from which source they are being extracted. That can be classified as mineral acid or inorganic acid and organic acid. So acid which are extracted from minerals are particularly considered as mineral acids. Your hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid, these all are mineral acid. Similarly, acid which are obtained from some plant or animal source, plant source particularly they contain the carbon, then they are the organic acids. So even mineral acid like carbonic acid contains carbon, but that is an exception. Otherwise, all the other acids you can find where carbon is there, that's a organic acid, and usually the organic acids are weak acids. So that one will classify in another group. So hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, phosphoric acid, these all are mineral acids or inorganic acids. And acetic acid, formic acid, citric acid, then your lactic acid, oxalic acid, these all are organic acids. Then coming to another way of, that is the oxy acids and hydra acids. Now if an acid contains oxygen along with hydrogen and any other non-metal, like you can say nitric acid, contains oxygen, hydrogen and other element like nitrogen. So this is an oxy acid. Hydra acid, the acid which do not exactly contain the oxygen but one negative radical and hydrogen. That is your hydra acids. Okay. Then depending on basicity, that is the number of H plus ion furnished by one molecule of acid in aqueous solution or per molecule of acid in aqueous solution, that is called its basicity. So it can be monobasic, dibasic or tribasic acid. For example, if you take hydrochloric acid, if hydrochloric acid in water, it ionizes, it produces one hydronium ion and one electronegative radical. So here one hydronium ion is being produced by one molecule of HCl. So it's a monobasic acid. And dibasic acid, if H2SO4 will go for H2SO4. So H2SO4 in water produces two molecules of hydronium ion, okay, and your sulfate ion. So you get two molecules of water. So two hydronium ion is furnished, or you can say if H2SO4 can ionize, it gives 2H plus sulfate minus. Okay. Similarly, if you take phosphoric acid, it produces 3H plus ion. But do not always think that the number of hydrogen and the number of hydrogen atom present in an acid will decide its basicity. Because as you see, your acetic acid CH3COH. So it doesn't mean that its basicity is 4. No, its basicity is 1. Because CH3COH, when ionizes, it becomes CH3COO minus and H plus. So even this hydrogen being present with carbon, we will not consider that it is an ionizable hydrogen ion. So per molecule in acetic acid you can say 1 H plus ion you can get. In case of formic acid also 1 H plus ion you can get. So that's its basicity is 1. So do not get confused with that the number of hydrogen will decide the basicity. Okay. Then on the basis of strength, we can classify it as strong acid or weak acid. The strong acid means the acid which completely ionizes in water. Your hydrochloric acid and nitric acid sulfuric acid, these all are strong acid because they almost ionizes 100% in aqueous solution or almost completely ionized. That means they on ionized in water, it contains only ions, no molecules in it. But weak acid, which partially ionizes in water. So their solution contains some ions and some molecules. Molecules mean those are not divided, not ionized. Okay, so these are the some of the ways by which. So your organic acids basically are all weak acids, and inorganic acid like the hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid. Remember these three important acids which are very strong acid: hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, and sulfuric acid. These three are strong acid. Weak acids among mineral acid is carbonic acid. Similarly, organic acid, almost all the organic acids you can say are weak acid. Oxalic acid, your acetic acid, formic acid, these all are weak acids. Okay, so these are some of the classification. Another way you can say classified as dilute acid and concentrate acid. Dilute acid means the acid which contains more of the water and less of the acid, that is dilute acid, and the acid which contains more of the acid and less of water, that can be considered as concentrate acid. So these are some of the way to classify the acids. Thank you.